Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Smart Data Learners by datascientist.ca. So basically, our focus is on covering majority of the data analytics technologies. So today is again our topic is crystal reports. Just to give you the background of that, we have already created uh, two tutorials, that is one and two. All the data related links are provided with these tutorials, and in today's tutorials we will extend the same uh, data or reports which we created in tutorial 1 and 2 to a next level. In today's video, our focus is basically on the creating a chart report, creating a filter report, creating a formatted report. So let's begin. So let's first include a chart. So it will be short video. So we will do the basics as level of charting, filtering, and formatting. So let's insert a chart. Data we will use, we want to show sum of books transactions sold and purchased, not only purchased but sold and purchased. And we want these in a footer section, right? Let's do that. Here we go, and we have the same data in chart, and we can insert chart options. You see there's a chart options, general, we want the data labels, show data. Okay, and titles, we can change the title to com- comparison, comparisons of purchases, and sales. The group title, okay, comparison of sales and purchases. So we have 52 purchases and 10 sales. That's it. So one section is done. Chart we have inserted. Now let's insert a filter. So in here we will go to the select expert, and for example we can how we can want to select our records. Let's say books title. So books title is here now. We want is equal to algebra. Let's do that. So we have algebra books, total of 25 algebra. Sold, purchase, right? So purchases are 25, sold 7. Let's put another select is is one of the algebra data modeling and introduction to French. You see, now we have 3 books, sales, and all that. And if we want to go back, we can just delete that. Again, we have now again all the data. So we accomplished chart, filtering, and then now the third step is formatting. This is our today's topic. creating a formatted report. So let's format that. Basically, there are certain ways to formatting, but we will use a template expert. That's the quickest way. Let's do that. We know we don't need, I think, this one, suppress. So when we suppress that, we have purchases algebra by this author, retail price. Let's do the bit simpler one. I think we need it requires some formatting and some uh, for, formatting requires some careful uh, carefully analyze the figures. But I think we can just format on our own because template give us some limited options. No template. Okay. So just be careful when applying the template because we can't undo that. Let's save as underscore tutorial 4. So we'll open again tutorial 3. You see, we don't want to apply that template because it changes most of these. So we will format without the templates, right? So let's put the chart again. Insert chart. Same type of terminal type, and the chart options, title, comparison of fails. Okay, so now we have that. Just save that file, save as. Yes. Just tutorial 4. Okay, so we have this chart. Now again we will put the select expert title, books. Let's put the Jabra. So we have Jabra books. Okay, so let's format this report. Make these headers bold. Don't need that one. Purchases. We can put some lines. You see, the small things you can work on, and we can format these. We can change this to party name, change that to business type, course, type. Okay, viewers, I think that's it for today. So today, what we have done, just to recap what we did today, we created chart, we filtered, and we formatted the report. So that's it for tutorial, for today's tutorial. And this tutorial is, again, I would emphasize that I will provide the link for the previous first and second tutorial. So this is the third tutorial, continuation of the what we have accomplished in one and two and third. We extended that, and we will continue with these tutorials into fourth, fifth, sixth, providing more formatting for more formulas, grouping, and other options of the SAP Crystal reports. Basically, we are using Crystal Reports 10. There are certain new features are also available. Basically, you can use this tutorial in the Crystal Report 16. I think I found the Crystal Report 16 a stable version, but you can try with the different versions of the Crystal Reports. It will work with these reports will work in different on other versions also. So that's it for today, and we hope you will enjoy our tutorial. And if you like it, please subscribe our channel. Thank you, and have a great day.